DJI's Pocket 2 4K vlogger cam now comes in white. While a new firmware update for the Ronin S2 adds support for more cameras. DJI's latest handheld stabilized vlogging camera, the Pocket 2, is now available in white. The camera, released last year only in black, features a larger sensor and double the amount of microphones as its predecessor, the DJI Osmo Pocket. The new colorway follows a number of software updates DJI has made to the camera since its original release, with benefits including enhanced autofocus, support for HDR video, and better subject tracking. The white Pocket 2 is available to buy now from DJI's online store, where it's currently listed at $439 as part of a bundle that includes a mini control stick, cover, handle, smartphone adapters, power cable, wrist strap, and a sling strap. And yes, everything barring the power cable also comes in white. As well as a new color of the Pocket 2, DJI has also recently released a new firmware update for its Ronin S2 camera gimbal. It adds new functionality for a host of Panasonic, Sony, Canon, and Leica, as well as some bug fixes.